Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Bea and I'm glad you're back. And in case you are new here, my channel is about mixed media, painting, art journaling, assemblage and anything else what sparks my interest. I'm back with a mini canvas for Everything with Wing Week 33. What do you think about an elephant with wings? I like the idea. So I did sketch an elephant and made the PDF file together with the quote. And in case you don't want to draw your own elephant, you can get the free PDF file over at my blog www.gedruckt.com in the member area, which is free too. As often, I did start the canvas with a layer of white gesso before I go over with some bright colors. I have printed on some white cardstock and now start fuzzy cutting the elephant. I have planned to adhere the elephant with some foam dots. In my opinion, using some cardstock instead of plain printer paper is the better choice here. It just gives more body. Okay, I know green elephants are rare, but I just wanted to have a green or specifically a neon green elephant. So I did paint with some acrylic paint. For the cloud shapes in white, I used Gesso again. To give more definition and adding details to the elephant, I go around with a black marker. Something you see me doing a lot is adding some sort of a border, mostly with black along the edges. It just ties everything together. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave nice comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you somewhere online soon.